Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today another save versus splurge. You know, this is a little series I'm doing. This is a short video showing you two styles that are very similar but yet very different, and the difference is in their cap construction. And I'm just curious if you would save the money and buy the wefted version, or would you splurge and go for the hand tied. So let's look at these two and let's talk about them. Both of these wigs are available at wigstudio1.com. I have already reviewed these wigs. I'm not going to review them today. I'm just going to show them to you quickly. But if you want to see the full reviews, go to the drop down box below this video. Be sure to expand the drop down box and there will be links to the videos there. If you want to know about the wig grip I'm wearing, I will also link it below. Okay, Jon Renau Kristen. Let's start out with Kristen. Malibu Blonde 12FS12. This one runs about $221.21. Now, let's talk about this hair. I'm going to show you the inside of the cap in just a minute. But it is a temple to temple lace front. It's open wefted. The lace front runs here to here. It's a beautiful style, nice shape, right? Very, very popular. Lots of movement. Low density. I like this style. Now there is some permatease in this wig. Again, I'm not going through all that because you can see my full video, but there is some permatease here, but not a huge amount. You can see this is fairly sleek. The back on this one is 7.5. The crown on this one is 10.5. The sides are 7. The nape is 3.5, and it weighs 3.7 ounces. Now, Kristen's available in 49 shades, so there is honestly something for everyone. It fits me fine. I have a 21.25 inch head circumference, and I did not take it up. Now, what are the advantages of this? Of course, the cost is the advantage, right? It's less expensive than the other one. You get a lace front, so you can wear it off your face. It's open wefted, it's a non-extended felt nape, and it has Velcro adjusters. Now, the disadvantage, it is not an extended lace front. Now, if you like an extended lace front, this does not have it. There's no mono top, so there's no parting options. You have to part where they have it. And then, of course, there is always that possibility of some wefting showing. But let me tell you, personally, I've never had that problem with a wefted wig, and the majority of my wigs are wefted. But I always just like to throw that out if that is important to you. I just never have had that issue with weft showing. Let me take that back just a little. If you have a very white wig, like color 60, sometimes that wefting on those colors does show. Now, I have had that experience reviewing those wigs where I think you can see the wefting. You have to be very careful with that. If you have a light colored wig cap, I would absolutely wear that if I was wearing like color 60. But on something like this, no, I have not had that issue at all. Okay, now let's talk about Jon Renau. This one is Kristi. Now, how beautiful is this? This is Shaded Sun, 27T613SS. Now, this one is about $485.76, I believe. So there is a good bit of price difference here. Now, are you willing to pay that extra price? And what you will get there is you will get an extended lace front, large mono top, 100% hand-tied cap, Jon Renau hand-tied cap, closed ear tabs, extended felt nape, and Velcro adjusters. And then, of course, if you're familiar with the Jon Renau caps. So this one has all the bells and whistles. It does. This is just about as good as it gets, right? But it is expensive, no doubt about it. It is a pricey style. So, you know, that's a consideration for most of us when we are looking for hair. We want to get the best price we can. We want to get, you know, the best value we can. This one is available in 42 colors. The bang is 7.75. The crown's 11.25. The sides are 7.25. The nape's 4.5, and this one weighs 3.5 ounces. This is so pretty. Okay, no permatease, of course. You have parting options here. You can part this anywhere within this mono top that you want to. It has natural movement, no wefting to show. It's 100% head tied cap. The disadvantage is the cost. You know, it is just what you're comfortable with. So I'm really curious. Would you save or splurge on these two? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.